my diamonds make it hurt.
Hello guys, we are doing paper 2019 summer paper, that is May.June, paper 3-1, paper 3, and in that 3-1 variation data analysis we are going to do right now. Okay, let's go to the questions fast. Here, task 1. We have to create an evidence document by ourselves. There is no evidence file document in the folder. If you see the folder, see there is no evidence document. We have to create by ourselves. Just as usual, in every paper you do that. Fine. So I have created one readily. See this one. Just you have to take a document, a blank document, and just in the header enter your details in 3 columns. That's it, and save it as a Word document. Save it in the same folder as a Word document. Okay, fine, that's done. See how to save this in the same Word document. See, it's all been saved already. Okay, then done. Now let's go to the next question. It's a very lengthy paper. It takes time. Okay, task 2, spreadsheet. You're going to prepare a spreadsheet for special disk sales. This company makes and sells storage devices. The company has 49 employees, and the company uses a spreadsheet to record the hours worked each week and calculate the pay of the employees. Okay, it records this app spreadsheet, the one we are gonna edit. That's gonna maintain, means it records the hours worked by every employee in every week, and it calculates the pay of the employees. All employees are paid in euros, which must be displayed as a 2 decimal places. Yeah, so the currency will be in euros now. Okay, this has been noted. Done. Now open and examine the file J1931emp.csv in a spreadsheet package. Replace the text in cell A1 with, okay, this, see, as it is given over here, we have to just follow in our spreadsheet. Now let's open this J1931emp.csv. I have to open using Excel. EMP, right click, select, right click, open with Excel. Yeah, this is the file we got. It's so much information it got. See, this and this, so much. Okay, it'll be like this. So no, we can just zoom it out to just see the information clearly. Just I'll widen the columns as well. B column, something like this, and description. I guess it got a description, something, and what else? Rate of pay, something. Here also a lot of information is there. Fine. This also a little bit more, and payroll numbers, something numbers, and it got more columns as well. See, hours worked, something over here. Fine. Now everything is visible. Okay, now let's go to the question. Replace the text in cell A1 with, okay, just copy this, Control C, select Control C. Now come to the spreadsheet here, this one, just select and paste. Okay, next, delete rows 3 to 7 inclusive. Rows 3 to 7. Okay, rows 3 to 7. We have to delete them totally. We have to delete them. Okay, home, delete, rows. Next, format the top of the spreadsheet to look like this. Fine, they want to see, look at this first row, it's really big in size. The first row, the one just now we copied, and all of the text goes like this. The column headings and all, they are in italics, and even in two lines. It means the names of the columns are wrapped up. So let's follow the same, and even it got to some maybe like ranges like that, right? And even the lines are being removed over here. Okay, this all as it is we have to format. It takes time. Okay, let's do the first one here. A1, cell A1. I'll do till where I have to till K. Till K I have to merge. Okay, let me just off. It goes very big. Till K. Find home. Merge. Okay, and here this one I have to just give the size of it, size something like this, and I'll change the to sans serif. Let's change to Microsoft to sans serif something, I guess bold, and I'll just reduce the size, it's too big. Okay, this is enough. And what else question? Even the gray background is there, and the text color is white. Okay, let's do the same thing. Home, background is a bit gray over there, dark gray I guess, and the text color is white. Okay, now what else? Office something is a, yeah, we have to make it into italics and Times New Roman. It seems really Times New Roman, Times New Roman, Times TI, Times New Roman, and we have to turn it to italics. Even the bold, is it? Yeah, bold as well. So this whole thing will make it bold at once, and also italics for all. And from here to here, this is all will change to Times New Roman. Times. Okay, and what about this one? This one as well. Whole thing till pay will keep Times New Roman and italics, bold. Okay, now let's see more. See, this got to two lines. No, the text is being wrapped, so means we have to reduce the width of the column. Find this one. Width of the column, if we reduce, what's going to happen? See, it's just not wrapping. So what I'll do for this, for all, just select till pay and home. Here we have to go wrap text. Okay, now we can just reduce the width. See there. What all we have to reduce the width, for which all the columns? Office code, job description, last name, all this. Okay, last name, job code, office name something, job description, job code as well. No, job code no. Okay, even up there, job code, office name. See there, job code as well we have to. Okay, for this also we have to just select the whole thing and go to home, text wrap. Okay, rate of pay we have to just check. No rate of pay, just keep it but it has okay, in at the bottom only the text is displayed. Job description, job code, and office name. Here this also we have to wrap the text, and it has to be in the center. See there, the text has to be in the center. Okay, home, center align, and this as well, all the text should be center aligned till where pay, till pay. Home, center align as well. Okay, and this all done. What else we have to do? We have to work on now these ranges. Fine, let's work on the ranges. Where are the ranges? This one. Okay, yeah, let it just see. Office code to be no office code. Okay, now I'll remove the lines. Just remove the lines, no lines at all. And for the rest we have to give a lines, for others no. Fine, so for all these let's give the dark lines. Is the lines, okay, like this. And then here we will remove the lines. Home, no grid lines, like this it'll be. And even for this, when you print it won't be seen. But border is needed. Sorry, box, we have to go box. Where is the box? And here also the box. Here we have to use the box. Home, yeah. Okay, everything is done. Names are clear. Yeah, here it's displayed. The names. Yeah, 2 lines only. That's it. Okay, done. Yeah, exactly. It's seen. Fine. Format the merged cell A1 to have a white text and on a dark background. Okay, dark green. Oh, it's dark green. Okay. Select home. Dark green background. Save. Yes. Save. Save this spreadsheet with the file name SDS and underscore. Just copy this, followed by your center number and candidate number, both using underscores. Okay, let's do that. This spreadsheet we have to it's going big. Shh. This one, file, save as in this same folder. This one I have to save it with, I'll copy, I'll paste this. I'll get that again. This one, copy, paste, underscore. What's the first one? First one we have to go for center number, then candidate number, underscore, center number, center 123, underscore, then candidate number 123 as a Excel workbook. Save. Okay, this is done. uh, Job description is look at this job description in 2 lines. It's going in. Just wrap the text. Okay, save. Just keep on pressing space so it will go to the 2 lines. Next, place your name, center number, and candidate number right aligned in the header. Right aligned in the header, and place the text last revised on. Okay, that first you will see in the header, right align. Okay, go to view, page layout. Here, right align our details. Fine. Center, candidate number. Okay, save. Next, in the footer, something is there. Last revised on. Just copy this, followed by an automated date, then space, and then automated time. Left align in the uh, uh, header. Oh, left align in the header itself. Okay. Header only here. Okay, then we'll go for just click on header footer, and first, what is that? Current date, then space. Okay, after this, what is that? Automated time as well. At header footer, current time. Okay, click outside. Yeah, that's all. Now just to close, I'll just back to normal view. This is all done. Create a name range called offices using, I'll copy this, using only cells A5 to B13 inclusive, and place in your evidence document a screenshot showing how you created this name range. Okay, I'll open Excel, and this one A5 to B13. Okay, here we have ways to do that. See, just right click and go to define name. This is one way. Else we have here, over here, see, just this is a name box. Just paste the name what you brought, and then just press enter. Okay, this is another way. So what we can do, either you can go for this, else you can just go for define name. Right click on it, see define name as well. You can go here also, you can type in the name. Just I will type paste the same thing, name over here. Okay, same thing will appear there also, in the name box. Okay, yeah, it's already exists, so it is showing. So here's the one, cancel. It's already there. So then I have to take a print out of this screenshot. Okay, I'll just even the point out where I have it. Here is the name range. Okay, this way we just gave copy and go to the evidence document, and here this is evidence is the first evidence. So the thing is that evidence 1. Okay, let me just because it's a fresh we are creating evidence 1. I'll paste it. Here's the one. So just keep it something bold. Okay, this is the one. Okay, save. Now let's go back to the question. This is done. In cell F17, use a function to look up the office name. Use the office code column for the lookup value and the range offices for the array. This is the one just we took as a name range. And in F17, what we have to do? We have to look up the office name. Okay, let's see in F17. Where is F17? Over here. Okay, what is the office name? Office name, from where we get the office name? Where are the office names? Office names are here. You see here? Office names. And office code is this. But here you have every employee's office code is here. Okay, employee's office code is here. Fine. So when we take F, suppose if it's F is what? Ankara. Fine. And if it's a D, what is the office name? D office name is Dresden. Okay, that has to be displayed over here. Fine. And they clearly told us where which we have to take as a lookup value. Office code as a lookup column. Office code as a lookup column. Okay, since we are doing for first employee and will replicate the rest, so this one we have to take it as a lookup value. Fine. So now let's start. It's a lookup. We look up since we are looking for the information in vertical columns. We look up, open bracket. Now lookup value is this one, comma. Now table array is the name range. Look at this. Okay, this range. We didn't get offices. Yeah, offices here. Fine, comma. Then column index. What is the column index here? It's 2, comma. And we want the exact match. Close the bracket. Enter. Yeah, we got Ankara. Next, in G17, use a function to look up the job description. Use the job code column for the lookup. Do not use a name range. We should not use a name range. Okay, they don't want the name range. Okay, fine. And do we need to replicate this? Let's replicate this as well. Okay, done. Now here job description. We have to, where are the job descriptions? See, here are the job descriptions, and job code is the lookup value for us. Fine. And we should not use anything. This name range we should not use. We have to use only this as a that to be absolute value. Okay, now let's start. Equal to, again we look up, open bracket. Lookup value is job code, comma, and this is job code. Here we have. Okay, and we need the absolute values in this case, so we can press F4 from the keyboard, F4 function. Else we can just manually type in to be the absolute dollars, dollar, and dollar, comma. Then again in the second column we have the answers, the job description, to then exact match. Close, enter. See, manufacturing. Now let's replicate this as well. It's not set, but we have to fill up this. Done. Save the work in between. These two are done. In cell J17, use a function to look up the rate of pay. Rate of pay. Do not use a name range. Which one? Which cell? Sorry. J17. J17. This one. Okay. And here we don't have hours worked. In K17 here. Okay, fine. Use a function to look up the rate of pay. Okay, rate of pay. Let's do this one. Here we have to rate of pay is contract hours. From where rate of pay is here. See here, rate of pay. And for this people, the person means for the employee, what is the rate of pay? Okay, so here let's find out equal to what all from where we are getting here it's given clearly. Do not use name range. Okay, so here you see here is the rate of pay. Fine. And what else we need? The job code we need. So job code 2, from here to here we have to select. From here job code 2, rate of pay when it comes to the range. Okay, we look up, open bracket, and first job code is this, comma, and I will select all this. Okay, here it is. Then use an absolute. Sorry. Absolute values. Fine. Then comma. Where do we find the column index number is the third column. You see here, this is the third column, right? Rate of pay. Okay, third, and we want the exact match. Close the bracket. Something 12.5. Now let's replicate this. Okay. Now after this, just save once. In between, go to the next question paper. Okay, this is done. In cell K17, use a formula to calculate the pay based on the hours worked by this employee. Hours worked. Total number of hours worked. And for that, it's a pay. Total pay it is. Fine. And K17. Where is K17? In this. K17. Rate and hours worked. Fine. Here you see, suppose for this something Matthias something. So for this guy, what is the payment? So payment, how the rate and hours worked by the employee, right? So we'll multiply these two. Let's multiply these two, then it will be the pay for that employee. So it's a very simple formula, equal to, then select this into, select the other one. Okay, press enter. Okay, when we get the number of hours over here, automatically the amount comes over here. Okay, let's replicate the whole. Is everything comes as 0 first. So there are no values in the first one. Now, okay, this is done. Now, what about work hours worked? Okay, worked hours. So where no, it's more is given about it. Okay, this is done. Replicate the function. Okay, yeah. So all this we have to do. We did it. In cell I-17, I-67, use a function to count the number of employees. That will do. Here you see one information is given about it. In 11, the hours worked by all employees were the same as their contract hours, except for the following. That means we have to copy first contract hours in the hours worked. Okay, let's do that. Just select all this. Just control C and just click over here, paste. Okay, we got it. Just press escape to remove that selection for copying. Okay, this is done. After this, few employees worked in different hours, means their worked hours are different. So that list is given. We have to change them. Okay, so for some Alfonso, somebody here, over here. Okay, how to find this guy? Just copy this. For them, we will change. Okay, for them, we'll change. Now, where I go this home, find. I'll go for find. So just paste find. Okay, I'll just only this much. Half is there. Half name is there. Okay, I'll enter half only. Find. Okay, just take half. Space came there. Okay, in that it's not. Sorry, just we should not click this. Select this column. Okay, now home. Find. Yes. Where's C? It's been selected over here. Close. Now just go to that. Yeah, here I have to change the hours worked. What is the hours worked? 16. Okay, I'll change to 16. Okay, done. Next guy. See something. Okay, I'll take only the first name. Copy. Okay, 24 is the number of hours worked as home. Find. Where is the guy? Here. So he worked for 24 only. Okay, next. Only first name I'll take. Copy this. Go to home. Find. Paste. Close. Where is that? This guy. How many hours he worked? 0. Okay. Here. Sorry. Here. 0. Okay. Next guy. Tracy. Copy. 32 hours. Okay. Where is Tracy? Where is Tracy? Okay, here is Tracy, and in that 32 hours, right? 32 hours. 32 hours. Now next another one, Sandra. Copy. Home. Find. Sandra 0. How many hours for the 0? Okay. Next, Amy. Copy. 34 hours. Yeah, here 34 hours. Okay, next, Pablo, copy, again just to find, how many hours? 22. Okay, next, Peggy, copy, Peggy. Okay, we got here. How many hours? 25. Okay, next, Tracy, copy, and how many? 16 hours. Control F if you press, you'll get find and replace the dialog. Control F. Okay, where is Tracy? Where I got Tracy? Control F. Tracy here. How many hours? 16. Now next, put more something, copy. Now I'm pressing Control F. Paste now. Find where's that guy. Close. Here is the guy. And how much? 12. Okay, next guy. No, lady. Adelina. Copy. And Control F. Adelina, where are you? Okay, she's here. How many hours? 42 hours. Oof. 42. Okay. I guess the last one. Call. Copy. Control F. Control V. Paste. Find the text. Yeah. Close. Here is the one. And what is 40 hours? 40. Of all done. Just save once. Save once. Now, what else we have to do? We just place the number of hours worked for each employee in the hours worked column. Okay, done. We did this whole thing. Now, automatically the pay changes here. This payment will change. This and this when we change it here. Fine. See, 16 into 10, 160. But earlier, just we copied as it is this from contract hours to hours worked. Okay, now a little bit more is left. In cell I-27, 67, use a function to count the number of employees who worked some hours during this week. Some hours in the sense, it shouldn't be 0 hours. Who worked 0 hours, we don't want. Okay, who worked for 0 hours, we don't want at all. So I-67 here. I-67. So for this we have to use count if, since there is a condition of we don't want 0 worked hours, means no worked hours we don't want. So it's a condition. We want the employees who worked something, some hours at least, means it's more than 0. Fine. So it's, since there is a condition, we'll use count if equal to count if, open bracket. Now the range will bring, see, it's given there range. So the whole range will take from here to the bottom. All these, the whole column. Okay. Then comma. What is the criteria? Criteria is more than 0. Just put it in double quotes. Close the bracket. 47 employees are there. 47 employees total. Okay. And it is said in the question paper how many employees do they see. This is what there are how many employees, something employees, see 49 employees. See there, 49 employees and 2 employees got 0. Yes, 2 employees did not work at all. So just reduce them. So you'll get 47. Exactly, we are on the right track. Now, question paper. In case 67, use the function to calculate the total pay. Just we have to add up here. Total pay. How do we do? Total pay equal to sum, open bracket. So just take the whole column as a range. Okay, and close bracket. This is one. Save the work in between. Yeah, this 10th as well, it's done. Apply appropriate formatting to rows 17 to 67 because see, we did not use any currency types, right? So for this and for this, we have to use what? The currency euro. Euro, it should be euro. And here as well. Okay, which range it is said? 17, row 17, that's it. But here there is no currency. We will add the currency. Yeah, in the beginning only we should have done that. Sorry. Now we will add. So for this, let me add the currency data. Sorry. We'll go to home. Here, number. Just I'll open the dialog. Here, currency, and we have to select which one. I need euros. Where is euro? Dutch, euro. Yeah, euro. Which side you want? Okay, I want in the beginning. And 2 decimal places as well. Yes. And to this as well, we have to this as well. Okay, same. Home, we'll use currency and euros. Let's go to euros first. Okay, and here as well for these two, this one, number, currency. Again, we have to select euro first. Where is euro? Okay, fine. And to this as well. Home, dialog, currency, go down to euro. Okay, save the work. Now next, save your spreadsheet, print the spreadsheet showing the values. Make sure the print out fits on a single page wide width. Contents of all cells are fully visible with no split words. Okay, let's see how this data comes for printing. Okay, save and go to file, print, no scaling, and fit on a single page. See how much data it is on a single page. Fine. Let the whole data is visible. Fine, on a single page. Okay, this we can take one print and let the details appear clearly. The details and all is here and here. Here, these details. Fine. Here, these details are seen. Okay, this is what. Okay, done. Now back. Make sure, yeah, we have it all. This is the values. Now print your spreadsheet showing the formulae. Make sure it is in landscape. Rows and column headings are displayed. The contents of all the cells are displayed, and even we have to have our details. Okay, now I have to go to show Formulas, show formulas. Fine. Now let's go to file, print. Here we have to show the column headings, right? Paste it up. Sheet, show rows and column headings. Okay, see there, showing rows and columns headings. Fine. And make sure you have all the values. Yeah, again it's fitting in the single page. Yes, this way you have to take one more. Anything more details? Rows and column headings are displayed. Yes, yes. Landscape, we took, oh sorry, we have to take the landscape. Yes, here orientation, landscape. Fine. This is the landscape. And our details are there, up there. Yes, it is here. It's here. Next. Yes, done. Okay, just you will take a print of it. Now create a spreadsheet extract. Okay, this is done. Okay, now back. Just remove this formulas, back to the values. Okay, we are here. See, if you see this one, it will look like this. Okay, this will look like this. Okay, fine. Now after this, what we have to do next, create a spreadsheet extract showing only the employees who work in London or Zagreb and have the word sales in their job description. So this is something filtering. Okay, and from that we'll create one extract. Okay, then from here, right, the whole thing we have to select. First we will add the filters to it. Okay, we'll add the filters. Go just home, sort and filter. You see there, every column got a filter. Fine. Now after this, what is that we have to, who work in London. What is this actually? Who work in London? Yeah, office name. Yeah, office name. Okay, fine. So they want only two locations. Okay, open, down arrow, and here we have two ways to do. Just keep checked only those two, like uncheck everything. Okay, uncheck everything, and then London and Zagreb, just keep it selected. Okay, see, only those two. Also we can even go for what, text filters, equals as well. Okay, done. And have the word sales in their job description. Here we'll go for open description, text filters, and you have to use contains. Okay, contains, we have to paste sales. Okay, yeah, only this much. Office sales, sales manager. So sales should be a term in that. Okay, this is done fully. Sort the extract into ascending order of last name. Okay, so just select the whole thing, and just go home, sorting, custom sort. In this, sort by last name A to Z. Same thing, right? Ascending order, A to Z. Okay, A to Z over here. Okay, yes, done. Next, just you can check in the column last name. Where is last name? Here, see, DHMSST. So it's in ascending order. Okay, this is done. Hide rows 3 to 15 inclusive. Hide row 67 as well. 3 to 15 and 67. 3 to 15. We have to hide them. Right click, hide. and 67 as well. Right click, hide. Hide columns D, E, H, I and G. D, E, are they in order? D and E. Okay, right click, hide. Then H, I, and also J. 3. This 3. Right click, hide. Print the extract showing the values. Make sure the printout fits on a single page. Contents of all required cells are fully visible. Okay, let me just go here and save your work every time. Print. Yeah, these are the details, and it got a column in label headings. No, so if it's not there, just go and just sheet and check this. Okay, yeah, this is what you'll get. Yes, it's a landscape or portrait. Single page means only portrait will take. Orientation, portrait. Okay, so you can see that clearly. Next, yeah, our details are there. Our details are there. Okay, fine, done. The start date of each employee will be added to the spreadsheet in 3 separate cells. 1 for day, 1 for month, and 1 for year. The spreadsheet will only accept numbers as valid data. Rules are to be used to test that the month has been entered as a valid number. Select data to test these rules. You had this in theory. You must use each item of test data only once. So here what they enter, we have tested. In your evidence document, identify an item of test data that you would enter as extreme test data, another item of extreme test data, abnormal test data, normal test data. There are 4 marks for it. Type your answers in your own words into your evidence document. Okay, now let's do that. 20. We ourselves have to do. So evidence 2, it must be now. Just can copy this and paste as a second evidence over here. Okay, now we will type in the testing data. Now what if it is a month? If it is a month, what is the range of months? 1 to 12, right? 1 to 12, that's the extreme, that's it. So extreme data for month is 1, 12. Fine. And abnormal data could be what? Yes, abnormal data is before 1 and after 12. Okay. Any number or text like less than 1 or more than 12. Okay, and even the decimals or fraction values are not allowed. Decimals and fractions. Okay, these are all abnormal data. And what else? Normal data could be what? Normal data, the one which is in the range, right? The one which is in the range, like all those from 1 to 12, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10 comma 11 comma 12. So this is the normal data. Okay, this is what we are supposed to write. Okay, done. Okay, type your answer in your evidence document. Yes, that we did. Anything more? Oh, yes, we are done. We are done. Oh, it's very long. It's very long. So this is your evidence for now. Okay, this is your evidence. Save the work and spreadsheet, you know. Okay, done.